Sir, man.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Would you like a drink, sir? I have a purveyor of many wines and bottles, as you can see. Oh, yes, I must find you the perfect one.
I died here once.
Man?
Turtle man. Turtle man, turtle man. Actually, he's a snail. He's not a turtle. Gary, is that you? Ah, Jesus! Jesus! Have mercy! Oh, Jesus! He's coming! Oh, he walked kind of cool, though. I'm gonna cap. Hello. He's gatekeeping? He's gatekeeping? Oh, Jesus! He's fondling you! He's fondling! Do you want a piece of this ass? He does! He does! Alright, it's time to get out of here. Just jump down. That was very exciting. Oh, he's still up there.
There's a turret dog that was up there.
How exciting was that?